Hi, my name is Khalilah Rose. I'm originally from Montego Bay, Jamaica, but I currently reside in Brooklyn, New York, and I'm the owner of Cakes by Khalilah. It has taught me to not take everything so seriously. Back home, believe it or not, I was extremely carefree. And being here, everything is so serious. Everything is fast paced. And when you get caught up in it, you tend to lose yourself, you tend to get stressed out. So I have come to learn to not take everything so seriously, to let things roll off my back, to find the lighter side of life. Being Jamaican, we are super inventive, super creative, and we're great at survival skills. So being here, all that has helped me. Especially living in Brooklyn, you have to exercise survival skills all the time. And again, with the business that I'm in, I have to be creative. I have to be inventive. Okay, when I started living here, the very first thing I noticed was no one said hello. No one said, as you're passing, especially early in the mornings, because I was going to school, and very early in the mornings, I would pass individual on the street. And back home, you're courteous. And no matter who it was, you would say hello. And that was the very first thing I noticed. And it was a culture shock at that time for me, because I was saying hello to all these people and I was getting nothing back in return. I would walk by and just it just came naturally to me to say good morning, and they looked at me like, what? So that was a shock for me. So I mean, I don't think being here, I'm evolving to, I don't want to say not a better person, but you evolve and you change into your environment. But yeah, just the lack of courtesy and the lack of a sense of family. Everyone is so for themselves. And the lack of community. Back home, everyone knew everyone. Everyone made sure that everyone was okay. Here, no one knows their neighbors. So it's the lack of community, the lack of courtesy. It's just, yeah, that was